Let's break down Ethereum in simple terms, stripping away the jargon and focusing on the core concepts. We'll explore what makes it tick, and why it's generating so much buzz. Think of it as a global computer, a single, unified computing resource accessible from anywhere in the world. But instead of being in one place like a traditional data center, it's powered by thousands of machines worldwide spread across the globe. These machines work together to maintain the network. This makes Ethereum decentralized. No single person or company controls it. It's a network governed by its users. It's open for anyone to use, to build upon, and to contribute to, which is a powerful idea. This open access fosters innovation and collaboration. Ethereum runs on a blockchain, a revolutionary technology. This blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that records all transactions securely and transparently. Every action is documented and verifiable. Once data is added, it can't be easily changed or deleted, creating immutable records and building trust among users. This immutability is a key feature of blockchain technology. Unlike traditional systems with one controller, like a bank or a corporation, Ethereum is open and transparent, offering a level playing field for everyone involved. Bitcoin was the first big cryptocurrency, paving the way for the digital currency revolution. But it's mainly for sending money, acting as a digital form of cash. Ethereum goes further. It expands upon the capabilities of blockchain. It lets developers build decentralized applications, or dApps, that run on its blockchain, opening up a world of possibilities beyond simple transactions. These dApps can do all sorts of things, from creating new financial systems to building decentralized social networks, opening up new possibilities for innovation. So, Ethereum is more than just digital money. It's a versatile platform. It's a platform for a new, user-powered internet, where individuals have more control over their data and digital interactions. It launched in 2015 and has grown rapidly since, attracting developers and users from around the globe. Many believe Ethereum could change the world, disrupting traditional industries and empowering individuals, much like the original internet did by connecting people and information in unprecedented ways. It's about giving users more power, openness, and security in their digital lives. That's why Ethereum is such a big deal in the tech world, capturing the attention of innovators and investors alike. And it's only just getting started, with a future full of potential and possibilities. Ethereum's story begins with a visionary, Vitalik Buterin. He recognized Bitcoin's groundbreaking potential, understanding its power to revolutionize finance. But he also keenly observed its limitations, seeing opportunities for something even greater. He envisioned a blockchain that could transcend the boundaries of just handling money, a platform capable of supporting a wide array of applications. In 2013, Vitalik meticulously crafted a white paper, outlining his ambitious vision for this new blockchain paradigm. He proposed a blockchain equipped with a built-in Turing-complete programming language, empowering developers to create virtually any kind of decentralized application. This was a truly revolutionary idea at the time, pushing the boundaries of what people thought blockchains could achieve. The Ethereum project was officially announced in early 2014, generating considerable excitement within the crypto community. And a dedicated team of co-founders, each bringing unique skills and perspectives, joined Vitalik to help bring his vision to life. To secure the necessary funding for development, the team organized a crowd sale, offering early supporters a chance to invest. In this crowd sale, people bought Ether, which is Ethereum's own native cryptocurrency, fueling the project's initial growth. The strong and passionate community support played a crucial role in nurturing Ethereum and helping it evolve from a concept into a tangible reality. Ethereum officially launched in July 2015, marking a pivotal moment in the history of blockchain technology. It demonstrated to the world that blockchains could be much more than just digital cash, opening up a universe of possibilities. Ethereum quickly became known as a world computer, a decentralized platform capable of executing complex computations. This world computer could run smart contracts, self-executing agreements written in code. These smart contracts are the key innovation that makes Ethereum truly unique and powerful, setting it apart from other blockchains. They're the fundamental building blocks, the very foundation upon which everything else on the Ethereum platform is built. So, what are smart contracts? Imagine a digital vending machine. You send crypto, select what you want, and the machine delivers. No middleman. Smart contracts are programs on the blockchain that automatically execute agreements when conditions are met. Unlike paper contracts, they don't need lawyers or courts to enforce them. The code is the law. Once set, it runs exactly as programmed. This automation makes deals faster, cheaper, and more reliable. It reduces the risk of cheating and builds trust, since anyone can inspect the code. Smart contracts are a core part of Ethereum. They enable all sorts of new applications. That's what makes Ethereum so powerful. Smart contracts are already changing the real world. In supply chains, they can release payments automatically when goods arrive. For digital identity, you control your own data and decide who can access it. Insurance is being transformed. Imagine flight delay insurance that pays out instantly if your flight is late. No paperwork, no waiting. Even voting systems can use smart contracts for secure, tamper-proof elections. Each vote is recorded on the blockchain, making results transparent and trustworthy. These are just a few examples. Smart contracts are making processes faster, more secure, and more efficient. The possibilities are huge, and we're only scratching the surface. Let's talk about DeFi, decentralized finance. DeFi is a new financial system built mostly on Ethereum, without banks or brokers. It uses smart contracts to automate everything. Anyone with internet and crypto can access DeFi services like lending, borrowing, and earning interest. Decentralized exchanges let you trade crypto directly, keeping control of your assets. No central company holds your funds. DeFi makes financial services more open, transparent, and often cheaper. Most DeFi activity happens on Ethereum because of its smart contract power. It's one of Ethereum's biggest and fastest growing uses. DeFi is changing how we think about money. DeFi is opening up finance to more people than ever. Billions worldwide don't have bank accounts, but with just a phone and internet, they can use DeFi. This promotes global financial inclusion. Transparency is another big plus. Anyone can view transactions on the blockchain. Open source code lets people check how things work, building trust. Developers can quickly create new financial products, leading to rapid innovation. Smart contracts automate processes, cutting out middlemen and lowering fees. Transactions can be faster, especially for sending money across borders. DeFi is making money more open and efficient. It's a huge shift from traditional finance, and it's just getting started. Of course, like any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges that need to be addressed. These hurdles aren't roadblocks, but rather opportunities for refinement and growth. Security is a big concern, especially when dealing with digital assets. Protecting user funds and data from malicious actors is paramount. Smart contracts are code, and bugs, unfortunately, can be costly. A single flaw can be exploited, leading to significant financial losses. Hackers have stolen billions from DeFi projects, highlighting the vulnerabilities that exist within the ecosystem. This underscores the need for constant vigilance and improvement. So, better coding practices, rigorous testing, and thorough audits are crucial to prevent future exploits and ensure the safety of user funds. Crypto prices are volatile, and this inherent instability can make DeFi participation a nerve-wracking experience for some. This volatility makes DeFi risky, particularly for everyday users who may not fully understand the complexities and potential pitfalls involved. Stablecoins help to mitigate some of this volatility by providing a more predictable store of value. But achieving true and lasting stability in the DeFi space is still a work in progress, requiring ongoing innovation and refinement. Regulation is another significant issue that needs careful consideration. Governments around the world are still figuring out the best approach to regulate this rapidly evolving technology. They are grappling with how to handle Ethereum and DeFi in a way that fosters innovation while protecting consumers and preventing illicit activities. Unclear or overly restrictive rules can slow adoption and stifle innovation, hindering the potential benefits of DeFi. But the right balance, a well-crafted regulatory framework, could protect users from scams and fraud, and it could encourage further innovation and growth within the DeFi ecosystem. Despite these hurdles and uncertainties, Ethereum and DeFi have the potential to fundamentally reshape the world of money. They hold the promise of making finance more accessible to a wider range of people, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. They can also make it more transparent, allowing users to see exactly where their money is going and how it's being used. And more efficient, streamlining processes and reducing the costs associated with traditional financial services. Imagine being your own bank, having complete control over your finances and the ability to manage your assets directly. With global financial services open to all, regardless of borders or traditional banking relationships. That's the promise of Ethereum and DeFi,